Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chart. You're tuning into the market-based edition. Fellow compadre speaking. All right, so we're going to revisit the bull flag on the AMC, and I think there was maybe a misinterpretation, if that's even a word, on the last video. So I'll try to break this down a little bit better on this video so we're all clear in terms of what I'm seeing in this potential bull flag. Tomorrow will be the day as to whether or not I'll know officially if the market is within a bull flag here, although we did say it is official. But we'll get into the details. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only go over price action. That's it. Okay. All right, let's not waste time and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's June the 16th, 2021, and the current price of AMC is going to be $52.76. That slightly down approximately 10.6% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR interesting analysis. Here's the bull flag, potential bull flag, I guess. All right, so daily candles. So let me just kind of explain this again, guys. So when you have a pattern, whether it's a bull flag, descending channel, whatever you want to call it, okay? In this case, I'm going to speculatively say that this is a bull flag, okay? Within any pattern, there's always a mean average line. And to just kind of show you what I mean when I say that, let me actually pull up the regression trend, something like this. All right, pull the regression trend. Now notice there's like a middle. You see that like middle line that separates the green area and the purple area? There's a line in the middle, okay? So in all patterns, or most patterns at least, there's a mean average line. So what I did on the last video is I just put like a mean average line right about here. Guys, I'm being conservative with my price targets on AMC, by the way, okay? I think it could actually reach lower levels. In fact, here's our price target that we made on one of our previous videos, the $35 level. It's not a random number. It's just the previous level of resistance in the overall market, okay? So, but when I put this middle line within the flag here, it reaches all the way down to like, if it happens today, which I don't think it's going to happen today, okay? It's $47, okay? I think it goes down in small increments the longer it takes. Yeah, still like $47. Just kind of goes down in pennies on the dollar there, okay? So what I'm saying is I gave you that level at 47, okay? Has the potential. I do think it can get lower, to be honest, but let's stick it to 47 for now. And the level just above the descending line that has acted as resistance 3 times. I can't make that up. Let's just get a zoom in here. Pardon the noise in the background. Mother Nature stopping in here, or enjoy the noise in the background here. So June the 2nd, 2021, we have a wick at the descending line here. Another wick, June the 3rd, descending line, okay? I can't make this up. And recently, just yesterday, there's another wick only, okay? June the 15th, 2021, at the descending line here. What I'm looking for is to see a breakout, okay? Once we get a candle to break above the descending line that has acted as resistance from only 3 reference points, okay? So it's not like a lot of data. I'll be straightforward with you about that. There's not a lot of data. But once you can get like a green candle to kind of penetrate the top of the descending line, that would be an indication that the buyers are trying to push through the resistance line, if I can make that kind of green there for you there. So something like that, okay? So that's what I would be waiting to see in this market in order to understand whether or not the market is going to move higher, okay? So that's all I have for that. And again, hopefully we're clear. If tomorrow you have a candle of this magnitude, something like this, to close above the resistance line, the candle's body, then that would be an indication that the buyers are trying to push higher. If the market moves lower, the mean average line is the same thing, $47. Okay, so because I think some are saying like, okay, where should I buy in? Should I sell? Guys, I do not know where to tell you to buy in. Okay, we've already bought into this market and we're actively participating. Okay, we're holding strong, and you know that's what we're doing. All right. And also, what else? I wanted to show you an indicator. Like if some are saying like, okay, where should I buy in? Again, I can't tell you where to buy in, but there's an indicator called the Bollinger Bands. Let's pull that up here. All right, perfect. So these are the Bollinger Bands on the daily candles. And the Bollinger Bands just basically acts as a relative area, like within the 2 green lines here, is where the price action typically takes place. A very high percentage of the price action takes place. And normally when you get outside of the Bollinger Bands, naturally the price wants to, make its way back within the Bollinger Bands. And if the market is bullish, it will typically take place, all the price action will take place above the mean average line. Because remember, I said on most patterns, if not all, This is not necessarily a pattern, but there's always a mean average line when you're trying to identify a range, whether it's a pattern or not, right? So in this range, in the Bollinger Bands, the mean average is a white line here. That level is currently at $37. Take it easy, bulls. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just letting you know, because sometimes what happens is the market actually consolidates sideways, okay? And it just simply allows the mean average line to catch up with the price, meaning that this white line would simply, just continue to, just move up. And when it finally touches the actual price action, it's likely, assuming that it's still bullish, right? It will propel the price to the upside, acting as a support level. That's all we go over on this channel, guys. Support, resistance, and patterns. Okay. I think we found the pattern, the bull flag, potential bull flag that's been challenged. That's fine, guys. Let's let it play out. Okay, and let's see what happens tomorrow. So I just wanted to make a quick video and let you know that if you want to just kind of understand an area of interest, maybe where the buyers are continuing to step in, pull up that Bollinger Band on the daily. Okay, I'm using tradingview.com. Pull that up, and maybe if you get a touch point there, that would be nice. Okay, maybe you still have to give the price action some time. Okay, whether it continues lower or not, just give the price action at least until the end of this week, where we did say we were expecting a retracement, and I did think that it will not retrace after the market continued higher on the very first day of the week. And of course, it just looks like, it's just a retracement, guys. It's a buy-in opportunity, right? For those who are saying that it's gonna go significantly higher. That's fine, guys. Okay. So that's all I have. Bollinger Bands, mean average level, potential buy-in opportunity if you do your research and understand that. And the bull flag is still pending. I think it's legitimate, guys. So let's close it out. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this rainy video and stormy video out to the investors and let them know that, yeah, we're going to get it done one way or another, by any means necessary, on the videos. Also, if you're new, before you go, traditional stocks, alternative markets, we go over that 7 days a week. Kindly join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send that information when it is available. Once again, thanks for your time and your patience with the noise. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.